This stainless steel mixer bowl with a wood texture finish was sent to me as a gift, and in this video, I'm unboxing it and showing it installed on my KitchenAid mixer. Right away, the thing that stands out is the appearance. At first glance, it honestly looks like a wooden mixing bowl, which gives it a really unique and decorative look. As I'm showing it up close, you can see the wood grain texture around the outside of the bowl. It adds a much warmer look compared to a standard stainless steel mixer bowl. One thing I really like is that this isn't actually made from wood, it's stainless steel, so you get the wood look without having to worry about maintenance that comes with real wood. For me, that's one of the biggest advantages because it can still go in the dishwasher while maintaining that wood style appearance. This bowl is designed to fit mini 4.5 and 5 quart KitchenAid tilt head mixers, and it fits onto my mixer just like the original bowl. One thing I noticed immediately is how much it changed the overall appearance of the mixer. It gives it a much more custom and decorative look while still keeping the durability of stainless steel. I also like the contrast between the wood look exterior and the polished stainless steel interior. Overall, I think this is a really nice upgrade for anyone who wants something a little different than a standard stainless steel bowl.